Alright, so today we're going to deal with the Benco 2026 test 4. Alright, starting with section 1. Let's jump right into it. First question, write the word name for 56,040. Alright, 56,040. Remember, we read the tens and ones together, and we also read the tens of thousands and the thousands together. So that's how we got 56, and that's how we got the 40. Number 2, arrange the numbers below in ascending order. Ascending order is from the smallest to the largest. So if all of the numbers start with 4, then we look at the hundreds digit. So we realize that these two have 3 in it. So they are the smaller of the set. From here now, we look at the tens value because both of them had 3 in the hundreds value. We realize that 6 is smaller than 9. So we know the smallest numeral here is 4,369. The next one will be 4,396. And then from here now we look at the 4,600s. We look at the tens and realize the 4,639 and then the 4,693. Number 3, convert 5 1/4 to an improper fraction. To convert a mixed number to improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and we add the numerator and place that all over the denominator. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, add 1 is 21 over 4. Number 13, divide. So we have 436 divided by 13. So we know the divisor is a 2-digit number, so therefore we just look at the first 2 digits in the dividend. So we saying 13 could go into 43 3 times. 13 by 3 is 39. 43 take away 39 will give us 4 remainder. Then we'll bring down the 6. 13 into 46 is same 3. That will give us 39. Subtract. And we have a remainder of 7. So the answer is 33, remainder 7. Alright, remember your steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Alright. Number 5, square root of 100 add the square root of 49. So the square root of 100 is 10 by 10, which is 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 49 is 7. Don't want it to add the 2, so 10 add 7, 17. Number 6, round off 78,062 to the nearest 1,000. So we have 78,062. Whenever we are rounding off to the nearest 1,000, we look at the thousands digit and the hundreds digit. The 100 digit is less than 5, so therefore we leave the thousands digit the same, and all the number to the right hand side we replace with zeros. So we got 78,000. Number 7, Selena sold 45 cookies, which was 1/5 of the total number of cookies she baked. What is the total number of cookies she baked? So we know a fraction 1/5, and we know the quantity that is equal to, which is 45. So to find the total, we take the quantity given and multiply by the invert of the fraction. So when you invert from 1/5, you get 5 over 1. Alright, so we got 225 cookies. Write the total value of the bills and coins shown below in words. So we need to add up all. So 50 add 20, 70 add 5, 75 add 5 is 80. So that's $80. And 25 and 25 is 50. So that is $80.50. Moving on now to number 9. In a standard 3 department, there are 52 students. Of the 52 students, 25% are boys and the remainder are girls. How many students are boys? So we know the percentage boys. So to calculate that in terms of numbers of students, it would be the 25 over 100, because percentage is out of 100, multiplied by the total over 1. And that will give us, well, 25 into 25, 1, 25 into 100 is 4, 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 52 is 13. Alright, so it's 13 boys. They said insert the digits below in the boxes to form numbers which will give the largest product. Use each number only once. Well, therefore we want to put the larger numbers in the tens column. So I would put 6 here, the 4 here. Then we could put 1 here and 2 here. Alright, because when we are multiplying now, you want the 6 multiplied by the 2, not 6 by 1. You'll get a larger value that way. Alright, so good. And then the third, insert the digits below to form the largest number relative to large. Good, so this is how you put it, 61 and 42. The set shown below is part of a calendar for the month of November. 30 days in November, so we have an incomplete calendar here. So we're looking at this here now. They said on what day did November begin? So we need to count backwards. So here would be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So therefore November began on a Sunday. On the scale below, draw the arrow to show the weight of 3 kg 600 grams. So we know this scale measures in kilograms, and each one of these strokes here represent 0.1 of a kilogram. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Alright, and that'll be 1.0, alright, which is 1 kg. So we need to convert this into kilograms. So the 600 grams we divide by 1,000. Whenever we divide by 1,000, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left hand side, and that will give us 0.6. So 3 add 0.6 would give us 3.6 kilograms. So we need to draw the arrow 1 stroke after the 0.5. Alright, how many cubes form the cuboid below? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on top. And we know it's the same underneath, so 12 by 2 is 24. Number 14, how much longer is pencil A than pencil B? To calculate the length of an object on a ruler that does not start at 0, we take the point at which it ends and take away the point at which it begins. So for A, pencil A, it ends at 14 centimeters and it began at 8 centimeters. So therefore that is 6 centimeters. Then for B, it ends at 10 centimeters and it began at 6 centimeters. And 10 take away 6 is 4 centimeters. They said, how much longer is pencil A than pencil B? So 6 cm, take away 4 cm, that will give us 2 centimeters. Alright, so it is 2 centimeters longer. Number 15, name the solid shown below. This is a triangular base pyramid. We know it's a pyramid because of the apex there, or where all the vertices meet at one point. So therefore it is a triangular base pyramid. Number 16, how many more vertices are there in a cube than a cylinder? So a cylinder has 0 vertices and a cube has 8. So therefore 8 take away 0 is 8. Draw the line or lines of symmetry on the shape shown. So we realize all the sides are 13 centimeters. So by seeing all the sides at 13 centimeters, we know that it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal, all three angles are equal. And in an equilateral triangle, we have three lines of symmetry. Alright. Number 18, the table below shows the number of marks scored by students in a standard 5 department. What is the modal mark? Modal means the most common mark. So we're looking at it here now to see which one has the most number of students, and we realize 10 is the highest, and that means the mark is 90. So that means 10 students scored 90 marks. Alright, this had calculate the mean of the list of numbers below. To calculate the mean, first we need to calculate the sum of the numbers. Calculate the sum of the numbers, we add all the numbers together. So when we add up these numbers together, we will get 228. Now to calculate the mean, we take the sum and divide it by the number of numbers. So the sum was 228 and the number of numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 6, which is equal to the 8. Number 20, the incomplete tally table below shows the toys owned by students in a class. Complete the tally, so it would be the only one that missing is for both, which is 9. So we have a group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 loose ones. Alright. Good, and that's it for section 1. We'll continue with section 2 and 3 in another video.